In this video we're going to show you how to use your Urban Composter. So with your composter you would have received an instruction guide. So the simple steps are to throw your scraps in there, spray them with compost accelerator, let that ferment while you drain off the liquid, and at the end we mix it with soil so it can rapidly break down. As said in the instructions, you can put any type of scrap into the composter as long as it's not bones or excessive liquid. Today I'm just going to show you how we would compost simple green scraps like this. To be most effective, they need to be cut up into small pieces. They don't have to be, but it makes it much more easier for the compost accelerator to be smothered all over them. I'm just going to quickly cut them up into small pieces really easily. These are all just withered veggies or scraps that I didn't use. So just going to easily open the bucket there. It opens quite easily. As you see, I've got some scraps in there already fermenting down there. Just going to throw everything in evenly around, evenly spaced. Make sure it's turned to on. Give a couple of sprays. So it's just evenly coated. You don't need to use too much. Let it rest. Couple more sprays in that top coat, and that would be done for the day. So you need to make sure every time you use it that you have properly sealed the bucket. So just make sure it clips down here and then it's all tight down there so that no oxygen can get in there to spoil it. You also can, to be more effective, use any sort of tool like a potato masher and push down the scraps so they're as tight down there as possible. As they ferment, they will turn into a bit of a slush, and you can really compact them down there as tightly as possible, fitting more scraps and making a more effective process.